Hey guys, Nub here. Like most of you, I've seen the Back to Eden film post about Paul no longer doing tours. And this is true, kind of. I've gotten a lot of questions from you guys about what's going on. Is Paul okay? Is he alive? Let not your heart be troubled. I spoke with him on the phone today, and he is alive and well. Just not as mobile as he was when we first started doing these videos 10 years ago. God, it's been that long. Anyway, he left a message on my voicemail for all of you to hear, so we're going to play that right now, and he's going to tell you what's going on with the tours.
Hi, this is Paul Gautschi from Back to Eden Garden, and I just want to let people know that I'm not doing tours anymore because I'm not able to walk much. I walk really slow, and it's just not practical to try to conduct a tour. On the other hand, I don't want to put people off. If people would like to come here, they're welcome to come, and I'd be glad just to talk to you, answer questions, and on your own you can walk around and view and check out the garden and orchard. What you need to do is call me. My phone number is area code 360-683-4477, and my address is 411 Craig Road, Swim, Washington, 98382. Bless you, and if you'd like to come, looking forward to see you.
So that's basically it. He is getting around a little bit slower than we're used to, and it's taking too long for him to adequately do the tours. But you're more than welcome to call him up, set up a time, come on out to the property, look around, taste anything that you want, and then come up, talk to him, ask him questions about this and that and how things and how you should and whatever you want to. He still loves talking to you guys on the phone. He really enjoys the letters that you write, and he loves seeing people and teaching them about this way of gardening. So it is correct that there are no more tours, but you can still go on out there, have a lovely day, spend some time, usually one-on-one with Paul, and get your questions answered. Kind of like back when we first started this, before he had the tour schedule. People would just show up and talk to him and ask him their questions, like my very first video. And it made it more personalized. You didn't have a big group, you didn't have a lot of people in your way. I'm kind of digging on this. As most of you know, baby girl and I always spend Father's Day weekend out camping somewhere in the Olympic Mountains. But we have to spend actual Father's Day at Paul's to do the video of the tour. Now we can enjoy Father's Day weekend, Paul can enjoy his Father's Day weekend, and then we can go see him, say, on a Thursday or a Monday of that week before or after we go camping, and still get video out for you guys, get your questions answered, but still spend daddy-daughter time out in the mountains together. So sometime around this Father's Day, we will be heading out to Paul's to do a Q&A with him and check out the garden. So if you guys have any questions at all that you would like me to ask Paul, try to make it topic specific and not location specific, because Paul knows his area and not yours. But if you have questions about gardening or Back to Eden or just how Paul's doing, go ahead and send an email to me with something in the subject line like question for Paul, and I will try to get your questions answered when we go out there. You can send those emails to thatnub@gmail.com or thatnub@l2survive.com, and those are on the screen right now so you can see them. You can also call our hotline and leave your message in the form of voice, and I will take that recording from your voicemail and play it before Paul's answer to your question. Try not to leave any personal information, exact address, or phone numbers. Make it quick and concise, just maybe a first name, maybe a state, and what your question is. So something like, hi, this is John, I'm in North Dakota, and my question is, how deep should I plant carrot seeds? Something like that. And that'll make it real easy for me to edit for the videos. And if you don't have time to send an email or leave a voicemail, you can always leave a comment in this video, and I will check those before I head out and add them to the list. Over the past 10 years, I have been to Paul's a lot, usually about 3 times a year. Now, editing video takes a lot longer than one day. So I usually only put up 1 tour a year. So I have footage from the last 10 years stocked up on a hard drive. So even though we're not doing new tours, I can still put out new tour videos, and I'll probably pop one of those things out at the same pace, maybe once a year or so. Plus, we'll still have new question and answer videos from Paul. So there's still a lot of content and a lot of stuff he wants to say, and we're going to let him say it. Well, that's all I have for this video. Bang around that bell icon if you want to be notified when new videos come out. Call us on the hotline if you have comments or questions and want to be featured in an upcoming video. Don't forget to comment, rate, subscribe. Check us out on the website, and we'll see you guys on the next one.